Now I'm going to install Breeze. First of all, I'm gonna install Breeze. I'm gonna go to the playground. Do I have Git here? No, I'm gonna do it. Let me check if I have a git ignore file, by the way. Yeah, I do have it here. And okay, so I'm gonna do a git init and git add everything, git commit init repo, and then we're gonna install laravel breeze on a different branch, install jetstream on a different branch, and I'll show you the differences between them. So I'm gonna do git branch, git checkout -b for new branch. I'm gonna call it breeze. Okay, so you can see here I'm on the different branch here. Now I'm going to install laravel breeze. I'm gonna install that, wait for that to finish, and come back to the video. Okay, it finished. Now I need to use that command and then do migrate and install the packages from npm that uses Vite. Just before that, I'm gonna set up a database on my local environment and get back to install it. So let me turn on table plus, come here and create a new database. I'm gonna call it playground. Come there and I'm gonna open that project. PHP Storm, and we'll continue from there. Sorry, I'm gonna close all of that. And let me see why it's here. Should be, nope. Should be on the other side. And like that. Okay, let me change root and playground. Let me see if it will connect. And let's continue. I'm gonna do a breeze install command. Can close that, by the way, since I'm going to be using JetBrains terminal from inside here. Okay, so now we have a choice. We can install Breeze with Alpine, Livewire, React, and Vue via inertia, or only the API version. So I'm gonna install Breeze with the Blade and Alpine, and the rest of them are pretty much the same. The only differences is which frontend you will have, but the user interface is the same. So I'm gonna install it with Alpine. I'm gonna enable dark mode support. I'm gonna use pest and let that install, and I'll continue after the installation stops. Okay, the installation finished. Now when I do view files, when I see which files the installation installed on my project, I can do a diff between this. I'm on a Breeze branch. I can do a quick diff between Breeze and my main branch. And you can see a lot of things that Laravel Breeze, the starter kit, installed on my source code. Okay, I'm not gonna go over all, but just for you to know, we have authentication controllers, email verification control, password resets. I'm gonna go not over the code, but I'm gonna go over the functionality pretty soon. Just want to show you the user interface and what's included in that. So let's do the migration. So we'll have our database tables. Let's see if that will work. And it won't work. Yeah, let me see why. I did playground, maybe this is not root. Let me see. Yep, not root, since I'm using DB engine that comes without a password. Since it's my local environment, so I don't really care. And let me refresh that and see, yeah, I have everything here. I'm gonna go to laravel playground.test, since I have herd here. And just before that, I do like that I have it without this warning of certificate, so I'm gonna enable that in herd. 1 second. I'm gonna come here, not that, sorry. Gonna make it secure. And yeah, all is good now.